Before going further, we must have to understand two concepts. That wherever the two light rays, the parallel light rays meet after reflection from either of the spherical mirrors, actually in this case they will never meet. They appears to meet, means this line will appears that it is coming from this side. This line will appear that this is coming from this side. So they appears to meet at this point, and here they are meeting at this point. So this point is called principal focus. Principal focus. Similarly, this is also called principal focus. But this focus is real because here the light rays are actually meeting. So principal focus of concave mirror is a real one. But this one is virtual. Virtual means not real. Actually, we feel that these both lines are coming from this point. So this is called principal focus of convex mirror. This is virtual, and principal focus of concave mirror is real. Okay beta, so before entering into the next concept, let us understand some rules. But what rule we want to talk exactly? What rule we want to talk about? Beta, now I have discussed that there are two types of mirrors. One is concave mirror, one is convex mirror. Now if both are mirrors, so both will form images. This will also form image, and this will also form images. But there are certain rules for finding out the images formed by concave mirror and convex mirror. So what are they? What are they exactly? So let me start with firstly the rules of finding or making the images formed by concave mirror. So here are some of the rules. So rules for making the images formed by concave mirror. First rule, if this is concave mirror, first rule bacho, this is principal focus as I told you. If any light ray is coming parallel, any light ray coming parallel to this principal axis, then it is must that it will pass through principal focus. Second rule, just opposite of this, that if any light ray is passing through the focus, then it will go parallel to the principal axis. So they both are opposite of each other. Means if any light ray is going parallel, it will pass through focus. If any light ray is passing through focus, it will go parallel. The third rule, before explaining the third rule, I want to discuss something with you. If this is a radius of curvature, means R, capital R, then focus will be always at the center. Means if this is focus, then radius will be up to this. Means this will be the radius. And here your center of curvature. Means the center of curvature will be at the end of radius of curvature. So here your center of curvature. Now let's proceed further. So if this is the pole, here it is your focus, and here it is your center of curvature. The third rule is if light passes through the center of curvature, it will come back as it is after reflection. And the last rule and the fourth rule is, if light ray falls at the pole, then it will make the same as the angle of incidence, same will be the angle of reflection. Means it will go like this way. These are the four rules which we have to remember to find out the images formed by concave mirror, which are 6 in number, and we are going for them. So these are the four rules. Thank you.